actually this rally goes very well because it's first real, how you call it, Dakar rally or something like in a savans and little deserts and like this. And okay, now we will start maybe first or something like this on road, and it's a bit difficult and we need to do our best. And okay, it's still a bit learning course, you know, it's first time here, but for sure now, like the first test goes well, for sure we try to fight to be in podium here.
Šodien bija tikai pilota meistarības parādīšana, tas bija prologs, kas bija 5 km garš. Tā kā, nu, protams, kad Tonīgs atbrauc pirmais, jo nākamā vieta bija 15 sekundes vai 14 aiz viņu. Viss jau sākās sacensības rītā, kur ir 250 km pa stepi jābrauc, un tur vairāk atkarīgs gan no kā mēs būsim tehniku sagatavojuši, gan arī kā Agris parādīs, uz kuriem tad Tonijam jābrauc gal galā.